Okay, here in part 3 of the post-installation items, we have get updates, display and personalization options, and security settings. First of all, if you've just installed Windows 10, you know that it may not have the latest updates in the medium that you installed it from. So you want to make sure that you do have the latest updates. You'll simply open up Start and then the Settings app. We'll go to Update and Security, and here under Update, right now I'm waiting for a restart in order to install some recently made updates, but you may have a check for updates button there, and you'll want to make sure that you have the latest ones. The next item we have here is display and personalization options. Again, if I go back to the Settings app, I have two different areas where I can look at this. The display options are here under System. And here is Display, and I have my display settings. If I back that up and go over to Personalization, I have my personalization settings where I can set things like the background and colors and lock screen and themes and so forth. The easier way to get to those is simply from the desktop. You right click, here's the display settings, which will take you to that first one. And then here are the personalized settings, which will take you to that second one. So that's really easy to get to. The next item we have has to do with security settings, and here you're just checking more than anything else. But I'm going to go back to the home screen of my settings, and we'll go to Update and Security. And if I click Windows Security here, you'll see that I have several items that I can check to make sure that no action is needed. And if I want more information, I'll open the Windows Security screen. And here I can check things like, well, what's my virus and threat protection? Well, I'm using Panda virus, antivirus right now. No actions are needed there. And let's check my firewall. My firewall is turned on. We'll talk more about how these things work later on, but you can see here I can just check and make sure that all of my security settings are the way that I want them. Alright, that's going to be it for this particular video, and the next one we're going to take on default programs and take a look at that.